it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Happy New Year! It's not quite New Year's yet, but this is my New Year's Eve tutorial. I am really excited to bring you such a smoky and glam and glittery but colorful look for New Year's, and I really hope you enjoy it. I did give you two different lip options, so if you don't want to do this bright blue, I picked a rose gold lip to pair with this look as well, but this is the look here. It's very glittery and smoky, but still colorful and blue, and it pairs really well with that little black dress. Anyway, without further babbling, let's get into the tutorial. So I've already primed my eyes with the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Primer, and then I'm taking a fluffy crease brush and take the lead from Colourpop. This is like a gray toned brown that's really good for creating a cool tone smoky look, and I'm just putting that in the transition area. And then I'm going to take Colourpop's Backstage, a medium matte blue, on a tapered crease brush. Put that on the outer corner, flip that into the crease. And just take that crease brush with no additional product and blend them together. Then I'm taking Navel from Devinah Cosmetics, a matte navy blue, and a small tapered brush, and really focusing that on the outer corner to the crease. And then taking Let's Do It from Colourpop, a matte black, and a small, tiny blending brush, really deepen out the outer V. So I just cleaned up the outer edge with lotion and a tissue. So now I'm gonna go back into that black and just get it a little better on the outer edge. Then take Cupid, this late Cinderella blue by Devinah. And any of these colors that I'm using, you can just use similar colors in your collection. You don't have to have the exact same shades I do. And you can even do this with a different color other than blue. And wet it with a setting spray and put that on the inner corner and take it all the way over to meet up with the outer corner. And you can take a silver glitter. In place of that, I am taking the Shiseido Aura Dew in Lunar 01. It is like a glittery top coat that you can use as a highlight or on the eyes or on the lips. And I think it looks really stunning, layered on top of this light blue. And I'm just rubbing my finger in there and patting it on. And then I'm going to line my eyes with a black liner. And then take a glitter liner in silver and layer it on top. This one is by NYX in the shade Crystal Gunmetal. See, instead of just doing the silver as a wing, having that black base makes it really pop and stand out. Alright, so that is your upper lid, so I'm just going to go off camera, do my brows, face, and lashes, and I'll be back to finish the lower lash line on the face. So I've done my face, my brows, and my lashes. I am wearing the House of Lashes Boudoir, and I am going on my waterline with a black pencil. I'm taking Take the Lead, that gray brown, and the paper blending brush, putting that on the lower lash line, really smoke it out. Then I'm taking Backstage and a flat definer brush and smudging that along the black liner. And then to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I am taking Blue Ice from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. This is just one of those iridescent with a blue shift highlighters, and it really will pull this together. And I'm just gonna pop some Bad Gal Bang on my lower lashes. For blush, I'm taking Bare Minerals on the Mauve. It's this mauve-y color with a little bit of sparkle to it. And then for highlights, I am taking the Shiseido Aura Dew in Lunar and patting that on the high points of my face. Because not only is this glittery and sparkly, but it also gives a nice glow. So I think this will be really pretty and festive. Now for lips, I'm going to show you two options. One is a fun one, but it's more neutral and more wearable if you wanted to not be completely colorful all the way around. It is Exo Vlada by Smashbox. It's a metallic liquid lip that's kind of a rose gold color. And this is what the look looks like with the more nude but still metallic and festive lip, Exo Vlada. The other lip, which I personally am going to wear, is the Sorbae lipstick from NYX. It is this pale blue. So as you can see, this lipstick is pretty intense, so I'm going to top it with an All My Goddess gloss in the shade Ethereal, just to kind of bring it back down. And this is the completed look with the blue lip combo, something a little bit more colorful, more fun, a little more out there if you're a little bit more funky, and I really like this combination. But again, the rose gold does look really pretty if you want something more neutral, or you can just pair it with your favorite nude lip as well. And that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a happy and safe New Year's this year, and I wish you all the best in 2019. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!